Good morning. I've got to speak a little bit quiet because we're sit up in the hide. I'll show you. To the feeders which are on that tree. And we're having a slight problem with the opening of the hide. It's just too big. So Rich has gone to get some netting from his car and we're going to drape it over the front of the hide because we've had a black cap that's been visiting frequently. You'd have been able to see that on part 1. Ooh. I've got a blue tit on the feeder. The black cat's been visiting frequently, but has come twice and flew off because it's seen us in the hide waiting. So we just need to get some extra camouflage for the front of the hide, for the window.
So really today is more of a trial run just to see, because we're going to have to modify the front opening of the hide because at the moment it's too big. We're going to get a bit of camo netting and put up at the front. I'm going to put something up at the front here so we're more hidden from the feeders, but it's certainly a good size. It does the job. We'll just not give up this morning because it's about 7 o'clock now, so the light will get better now, and we'll see what we get on the feeders.
Here approaches the hero of the hour with the netting that's going to hopefully save the day.
Hello.
Hello. Pop it, just drape it over the lenses. Oh, even better.
How's that? Just modified the front of the hide. It's now much better. Bit of camo net draped over the top. Is it just me, or does this look like a smiley face with our 2 lenses? Looks like an owl. Made myself an owl hide. Oh.
There's a smiley face.
There's the smiley face. Hello, smiley face.
We're starting to get some light come in now, so definitely picture time. The black cap, which we wanted to see and film, is coming twice. First time it scared it off, so we've gone into live view mode now. Hope that's Richard walking past the hide. There he is.
You are?
Hold on. I said that I hope that's Richard walking past the hide, because otherwise I'll be scared.
Looks like a smiley face.
Is it?
I've discovered by watching the black caps for a while that they are quite a noticeably different shape to the other birds that have been coming to our little reserve. they're quite long and thin shaped, more long and thin shaped as opposed to like a blue tit or a great tit, which is slightly rounder in shape, which meant I could see one when it was quite high up in the trees, which gives you a bit more warning, a bit more time to try and get one before they get on the feeders, because that's the secret, I think, spotting them early, watching them come down the tree to where the feeders are, and hopefully they perch before they land on the feeder. So we're getting perch shots as opposed to shots of them on the feeders, which aren't as pleasing. I have just moved another feeder 5 minutes ago, but I think I might have put it a bit too low to the ground, but we'll see if it comes, see if they come to it. It's just a case of putting the feeders in a position where the background is not too cluttered. The problem with the tree that we're using, it's a lovely old tree and it's got some nice handy branches to put the feeders on, but there's a lot of smaller branches and twigs which are sort of getting in the way a bit, but obviously we're not breaking anything off the tree, but just a case of moving the feeders around to see where the best positions are. So this is the twig. This is the twig that we're focusing on for the blackcap, hopefully, because having watched the trail cam footage over the last few days, this is definitely where the blackcap likes to land before it goes on the feeder. So just got my camera set up at 3.2 f3.2 auto ISO 1/640th of a second. Now just hoping for the blackcap to come in and land. So today I've decided to use a flash. Basically to improve the exposure, and you get the nice catch lights in the eyes as well. If I zoom right in, you can see there's a catch light in the eye. Just gives it some nice light because it's sort of the middle of the afternoon, the sun is really bright and it's quite high in the sky, even though it's April now, so, but then you get the horrible shadows underneath. So basically it's more of a fill flash, having the effect of being more of a fill flash, shooting it in manual flash mode, and I think because of that I've taken it out of auto ISO and I'm now in manual ISO and I'm shooting at 100 ISO and 1/800th of a second f3.5, and yeah, it's working well at the moment. High speed sync flash, which means you can shoot at faster shutter speeds, which is obviously a must for wildlife. You'll see some images with the flash and without the flash, and see what you think.
we're all done for the day, and Richard is going to attempt to fold down the hide. I'm just watching and filming in case there's a blooper. What was that? Hard enough doing the zips up. Oh, it's got the easy part done. Oh, he's on the right lines. Well, the instructions say to then fold it into a U shape and then twist 180 degrees. No, come on, I'm waiting for a blooper. Give it a go.
Well done.
We're all packed up. Gemma managed to put this in the bag for what she did. We've had a great day. We've seen everything that we were hoping to see apart from the jet.
The fox,
Oh,
the muntjacs,
no.
a woodpecker.
So join us next time in the next bird feeder dive. Bye for now.
Yes, goodbye everyone, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.